The following describes the installation of the Range Rover Executive 13.3-inch screen. First, pry out the screen frame. Unscrew the screws inside. Unscrew the screws inside. Take out the left and right touchpads. Unscrew the screen screws. Take out the screen. Take out the frame of the host. Remove the keyboard screws. Take out the keypad. Remove the host screws. Start converting CD cables. The following is the transfer motherboard. Transfer the original car's motherboard to the new host box. This is the new host box. Fix it with the removed screws. Stick the heat dissipation silicone on the CPU. After the motherboard is fixed, plug in the cable. Secure the back cover with screws. Start transferring other lines. Plug in the original car's touchpad. Wrapped with foam. Prevent abnormal noise. Fix it with tape. I need to add a small speaker here. Plug in the host. Put the original car screen. Pry off the decorative edge strips on the decorative panel. Cut off the original hot glue with scissors. Remove the border. Install the screen. Fix the screen with iron sheets. Plug in the line. Install the left and right brackets.